Hey guys, so let's put another spotlight on another beautiful, very important native, which is the Rivina humilis, or rouge plant, or other people call it bloodberry. And it's this one right back here. So this beautiful little shrub grows up to 1 to 2 feet tall. Mine is about 2 feet tall. And it has beautiful, showy, little tiny flowers. They're so cute, great for pollinators, and gorgeous, vibrant red berries, which are great for the songbirds. So we seen cardinals eating from here, pine sinkins eating from here, the mockingbird that eats from this shrub. Very versatile. It's great because you could plant in a shady spot. It prefers shade. Also a more moist spot, which is also great because not a lot of plants are great for wet spots or shady spots. So I keep it under my jabuticaba here. I have berries on the jabuticaba, so it's great that the birds hopefully will prefer these instead of my jabuticaba. So another great one for you to add in your garden. See you guys soon.